All right, everybody, welcome back to the Lower Alabama Railroad. Today we got an unboxing we're going to do. Got this in from Legacy Station. LIONEL model TMCC speeder, one each, made in China. This was listed in the Volume 1 of 2024, and Eric Siegel, along with Legacy Station, did a special Appalachian and Western speeder, and I got that to go along with my switcher engine and caboose. And let's see here, we got a on the water date of June 25th. So let's pop this thing open and see what we got. And we got a couple of, got an Eric's Train sticker, an Appalachian and Western sticker. Eric signed it. And we've got Jesse's paw print. Always a lot of fun to peek into the box for the first time. Got an owner's manual. Boy, for a little rascal, that's heavy. You got some spare traction tires. And this one has the snow plow on it. I saw on one of Eric's videos that he put it in, that he was going, that this was the one that he chose to use, was the only one in the catalog that had the snow plow. Got opening doors. Got a couple drivers inside, windshield wipers, a headlight. Chassis, from the mountains to the metro, Appalachian and Western. And this is number 76. And I guess we got Chassis on one side and Frisco on the other side. Tail light, windshield wipers. And we got a cab light in there. Flashing light, headlight. And the little rascal's got quite a bit of weight to it. Got the running boards. Got a traction tire. Here's the run and the program switch. Pretty darn cool. Now let's see about getting this thing programmed and on the track. All right, let's set this over to program. Sitting here on the track. And we're going to give him engine number 76, so engine 76 set. And we'll give him, since he's a small guy, we'll give him light traction. And now let's take him off, put it on run. And then engine 7.6, and off we go. Tail light comes on. And wait a minute, let's go get the instruction book. Now it says here that aux 1.8, yeah, that turns the strobe light off. 9 turns the strobe light on. And 2, I guess I got to be running for that. All right. And direction. And away he goes around the track backwards. That's cool when he comes through the tunnel, you can see the light. So let's go forward again. Yeah, let's see here, 2 and 4. Got him down into the inner loop now. Let's see here. And that is number 6. Go 6 green and number 5. Want him red. Let's get in here onto the turntable. And of course we hit the dead spot. But anyway, he's in there. Now, let's see here. Get him down there onto that spur track. Yeah, guess we're gonna have to do something different there, because that took the burrow crane and got him going stupid. All right, well anyway, I'll figure that out later, but we got it running and that's what counts. So, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video, and we'll catch you on the next round. Bye for now.